How to fix WhatsApp last seen time on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp last seen time on Android phone. First, just open WhatsApp and then click these 3 points here, and here you will find settings. Click on it and then click account and then privacy, and here you will find wait, where is it, this one here, last seen and online. And as you see here, you can manage who can see your last seen, and here you can fix your problem and just select anything you want. Here you can make it for everyone if you want, or you can make it just for yourself here. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like, and see you in the next video.